Hello friends, the title of the video is 1857 Revolt and Permanent Settlement. The Indian people had revolted against the East India Company in 1857. The reasons for the revolt were as follows. The first reason was discontentment among the peasantry or farmers. The second reason was maltreatment given to the personnel of army or soldiers by East India Company. The third reason was destruction of handicraft industry. And the fourth reason was maltreatment given to the Indian rulers by the East India Company. The revolt sparked suddenly. But one interesting fact is that this revolt didn't spread to the whole Indian subcontinent. The revolt confined only to the North Indian plain. The question is raised, why did the revolt of 1857 confine to the North Indian plain only? Why didn't it spread to the South India or Northwest India? One explanation for the above question is the land revenue system prevalent during this period. During this period, India had mainly three land revenue systems. The first is Zamindari settlement or permanent settlement, which was prevalent in North India. The second is Raitwari settlement, which was prevalent in Central and South India. The third one, Mahalwari settlement, which was prevalent in Northwest India. It is observed that in the Zamindari settlement, there was the development of absentee landlordism. The absentee landlordism means the zamindar or landlords of that particular region were not living or staying in that region. The absentee landlords was staying somewhere else and was giving the responsibility of collecting land revenue to his man, or we call Diwanji. Many times that Diwanji was responsible for the exploitation of the peasantry to collect the taxes. It is observed that the peasantry in the permanent settlement was more exploited than the Raitwari or Mahalwari settlement. On the contrary, in the Raitwari settlement, the East India Company was directly collecting the taxes from the peasantry. So, East India Company was aware of the reality of peasantry and they used to remit the taxes if there were problems which affects the farm income. Thus, the peasantry in South was not that much unhappy with the rule of East India Company. Similarly, the peasantry in Northwest India was also not that much unhappy because the village community used to take care of the peasantry in that region. Thus, it is found that the permanent settlement had impoverished the peasantry of the North India, which had directly impacted the soldiers and viewers of that area. To conclude, the exploitative nature of permanent settlement could be one of the major reasons of the 1857 revolt. Thank you for watching my video.